In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Slack to Claude AI in just a few easy steps. This is a really useful setup if you want to bring your team communication and AI workflow together so you can work faster, stay organized, and access your Slack workspace more efficiently inside Claude. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step AI and software guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open Claude Desktop on your computer. Once it's open, look to the bottom left corner of the app and click on your name or profile icon. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will take you into Claude's main settings panel, where you can manage your account, integrations, and connected apps. Inside Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Connectors. This is the section where Claude lets you connect external tools and services. Now find Slack in the list of available connectors and click Connect next to Slack. Claude will ask you to confirm the connection, so click Connect again to continue. At this point, Claude will redirect you to your web browser. This is normal, and it means the authorization process is now moving over to Slack, so you can securely approve the connection. In the browser, sign in to the Slack workspace that you want to connect to Claude. Make sure you choose the correct workspace if you manage more than one, because this step determines which Slack account Claude will have access to. After signing in, carefully review the authorization screen. This is where Slack shows you what access Claude is requesting. If everything looks correct, confirm the authorization to allow the connection. Once the authorization is complete, you can go back to Claude Desktop. From there, your Slack connector should now be active and ready to use. That means Claude can now work with your Slack workspace through the integration you just set up. And that's it. You've successfully connected Slack to Claude AI. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more quick tutorials like this one.